Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to fix a GE front-load dispenser that won't drain. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. So, the main reason your detergent dispenser is not draining is clogging. Extended use of the detergent dispenser without cleaning may result in detergent or softener deposition in the dispenser drawer, blocking its channels. Thoroughly cleaning the drawer will fix the issue. To do this, pull the dispenser drawer out until it stops and lift it from its front end to remove it from the dispenser box. Use a mild detergent to wash the drawer in warm water. Only remove the siphon caps for cleaning if necessary. Rinse the detergent drawer in warm water and fix the siphon caps securely if you had removed them. Mount the drawer back into the dispenser box when the cleaning is done. And there you have it, fixing a GE front-load washer fabric softener dispenser that won't drain is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.